we are living in a digital era, and without our culture, we can easily be left behind. Culture is important, very important to us because our culture has value, while we maintain that we have dignity. My grandchildren in the future might want to see what is happening, or this is what our grandmother has been doing. We want to put things down so children are happy and they live good lives. It's about the future generations. It's about knowing and preserving what might die out. People are scared because of what happened to them in the past, and they can't really express themselves in talking, and they express themselves better when they sing. And it's very powerful because sometimes they make you cry, they make you laugh, they make you think, and they make you realize how important it is to live good lives and to live in harmony. They say it when they sing it, unlike talking about it, because they can be misinterpreted. Something inside is threatened, so they want to say it in the way they sing and the way they do their actions. And to us, that speaks louder than actually giving advice or saying it in a formal way. If we express it in this way, we leave them in tears, and they really see what is in the core of our heart and how we are feeling.